How to find your FPL Team ID. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To find your FPL Team ID, you actually have to launch a browser instead of your FPL application. So what you should do is all you need to do is simply tap on a browser. Then in the search bar search for FPL. Over here select on Fantasy Premier League. If you are not logged in yet, make sure to log in into your FPL account. Over here you will find the option of pick team, just click on it. Then scroll down until you find the option of game week history. Once you tap on it, you need to actually copy the link which is right over here. Just copy the link over here. Once the link is copied, you can paste it on your note, or if you can check out, you will find a number right at your address. If you see, this is 2223664. So this is actually my team ID. So if you also find a random numbers in your address link, that is not so random but your very own team ID. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.